Hey guys, today we will be unboxing products that I got from MORINGA-O2. I was just watching Jessy Mendiola's video as part of my night routine. I did not know there was a raffle draw going on at the end of the video. So I took my luck and it was so surprising. Like around August 30, I was chosen as one of the winners that will receive 5,000 worth of Moringa products. I know you're excited because I am also excited in this parcel. So let's open. So actually, this is really my first time winning a raffle, or I don't know what is that, because the mechanics is just I just need to comment and then it will be randomized who will win. So I just really got my luck. This is my first time like winning a whatever was that going on online or anywhere. So let's cut it open. What's this? What's inside? Oh my gosh! Let's open. It's this one. This is inside the package that I won from MORINGA-O2. Wow! Oh my god! This is a lot! Okay, first I have this. Oh my god! My gosh, this is really a lot. It's a lot. Gosh, this is 5,000 worth of products from Moringa, and I was just so curious how it is because I got interested when Jessy Mendiola tried it on her video, in that video that I commented. So, oh my god, it's so nice. There's a kind of like this is like a tote bag, like a plastic tote bag. And it has like this. Oh, it's a ref sticker. Oh my god, I could really use this one. Okay, let's put it here. Next is oh my god, this is really a lot. I did not expect this. Like, I did not expect this would be a lot of items inside. I was just expecting like 5 or 6 products, but my gosh, this is like 15 to 20 products. My gosh, I have here, what's this? Argan oil, herbal, like it's a relaxing serum, herbal hair relaxing serum. Okay, let's put it here. What else? It's this one. This one is an herbal soap. If you know Moringa, those are the products that we could get from Malunggay. So that's what they call their products, is Moringa-O2. Oh my gosh! It's manufactured May 2024. So it's really like just manufactured. So okay, let's I have really a lot. I'm so overwhelmed. Let's open this one. Let's try to, I will try to let you see everything what's in here. Okay, this is an herbal soap, another herbal soap, and we have here herbal moisturizing lotion. Oh my god! And another moisturizing lotion, and another cartoon. This is another argan oil, another herbal relaxing serum. Oh my god, this is really a lot. Okay, next is I have here herbal facial toner. It's a facial toner. And then let's have this one. Oh my god, it's an herbal shampoo. Anti-hair fall and revitalizing. Gosh, oh, and it's big. Like, it's gonna be my like whole year supply of shampoo. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Moringa. I'm so overwhelmed. Like, this is really, gosh, like I don't know what to say. I'm so speechless. And then I have here another facial toner. So they're making it doubled, like every products that they sent me. It's not just one but 2. There's herbal oil for hair, scalp, and skin. So There's two of that. Okay, let's put it here. And then we have here, okay, let's do the pink one. This is an herbal conditioner, smoothing, nourishing, anti-freeze, moringa conditioner. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is so overwhelming. Okay, let's have another one. What I like is they have UV sun damage, like protects your hair from UV sun damage. Gosh, that's really what I need, because you know, Philippines, usually it's really hot. Okay, that's two of that. Actually, there are four. Okay, this is the shampoo. So herbal shampoo that is also the same as like smoothing, nourishing, and anti-freeze. This is the conditioner, and this is the shampoo. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm having a lot of products now. Ah! This one is 2-in-1. This is 2-in-1 herbal shampoo and conditioner. So I got two of that. Oh my god. 2-in-1 herbal shampoo and conditioner. Look at this. It's not even fit in my sofa chair anymore. And then this one is an herbal conditioner. It's anti-hair fall, revitalizing, and smoothening. Another set of conditioners. Gosh, like I have 4 sets of conditioners. This is really like my 1-year supply of shampoo, conditioners, and hair products. Thank you so much, Moringa. I did not expect there's a lot of products that you gave. This is really useful, especially us here in the family. We have like 3 and a lot of girls, like not just our family but also extended family. I could also share this to others. Thank you so much, Moringa and Jessy Mediola. Usa na ka, usa ka tuig. Oh. Conditioner. Shampoo ng usa conditioner. Yeah, shampoo. Kani siya, no need na shampoo, conditioner, 2-in-1. 2-in-1.
Ato pa mo daw ko ani
sige daw. Mabango.
Conditioner oy.
It's fragrant. It smells good. Di mo na shampoo. It smells good.
Malunggay good, no?
Yeah.
It
smells so good. It's really good in the hair for sure because it smells good. Ah, the shampoo is like in a liquid form too, and smells good too. Gosh. And this is the soap, Moringa soap. It smells so. Hindi naman talaga siya moringa talaga, yung moringa smell. Smells soap pa din, smells shampoo pa din. This is worth a try. This is the argan oil. This is really what I am interested of, the argan oil that I'm gonna be using for my hair. Yay!